Here we come to a big-sized freight elevator at the Moody College of Communications building at UT Austin, Texas. This is a big elevator. Interesting how that strap's like literally hanging up at the top. I forgot what part of the building this is, either A or B or C, I can't remember. I think this is building B, I think. All right, here it is. Wow, look how big this thing is. This is even a lot bigger. This is one of the biggest elevator here on campus. Oh, I think you have to hold it. This thing is huge. This is the biggest freight elevator here on this entire campus. Oh, my ears popped already. Oh, you can go to 6, nice. Oh, you did have to hold it for a sec. Oh, well, okay. Okay, this is interesting. Look at all these pass-type doors. It doesn't beep. It doesn't make that warning sounding beep than it used to. And the one. All right, we're gonna close the door and get a detailed cab view. This is a big elevator. Wow, this thing is huge. Look at all this graffiti on it. I didn't mean to switch to 4K. 10,000 pounds. See, look at this thing. This elevator, I'll tell you, see, this elevator is even it's almost twice as large than the one at Robert Lee Moore Hall. All right, well, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the video on the 3rd floor. I think that's where I got on. I'm not gonna do the passenger elevators here because they're nothing really that exciting. Yeah, we're gonna get off at 3. See, this has got the regular doors, see right here? Yeah, it doesn't have the pass type extended doors. Oh yeah. Sometimes you have to press and hold the door closed. This is an interesting controller. Here's pre-built doors. All right, there it goes, and that's it.